Welcome back, and we have a new lawnmower. It was free at the end of somebody's driveway with a sign that says needs repair. And there are a couple things, including this gas cap broke there, and there's no gas in there, well, a little bit. And then this, which should be like this, but it's just hanging randomly down. And we have a lock there. And then this quick wash. And then over here, we have the exhaust. But there should be a cover that goes over it. Screws in there and right here. And
oh, so it's missing a part?
Yeah. So that is missing. And over here, oh, this here piece is broken. It's just missing this on this side. And I haven't really done anything, so let's start with a spoke check. So I'm just gonna pull it, and if that lights up, then we have spoke, and then I will.
Well, do you have any gas in there?
I don't think there's that.
Will it work with no gas?
Oh, it should not start.
Okay.
I just want to see if that light comes.
Okay. I don't think I see a light.
Okay, so we might have a spoke issue. So what I'm going to do is clean this mower up and hand you guys back on once we're done cleaning it, and we'll figure out what to do next.
Okay, sounds good.
And I just took this cover off because we are going to need to change the carburetor. We got a new carburetor because this one looks really dirty and it does not look like it's been changed in a long time. So I just took this off. It's just this bolt right here. It went right there. And then we got a screw here, a screw there, and a screw there. So we got to take these off. So this here piece was connected here. You got to make sure to disconnect that. And I want to clean this all up, and then I will turn you back on so that we can take off the carburetor. And yeah, I think that's what we're going to do. Oh, we got fuel.
Uh-oh.
Oh.
What happened?
So, apparently there is fuel in the tank, and it is coming out.
Not good.
I think... Should we stop it? I think we'll just let it do what it's gonna do. And I am unscrewing this bolt. So we got a bolt here to take the carburetor off. We got one over here, and then we got one up here. So those are the bolts to take the carburetor off. And you might have seen we did have a little gas spill, so that's kind of messy. Always make sure that you have like a pan, which we did not have, which would be a good idea. So yeah, you always want to have a pan to catch the gas. So yeah, we're almost done here. Then we got the then we'll take the carburetor off. Then we got a new carburetor, a new spoke plug. We're gonna put in a new gas line. So yeah, oh, we almost got it here. Okay. And we have the carburetor off. This is the new carburetor. We got this fuel line. And then we are going to attach it, this here. And it's just gonna go in the first hole. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to get this on here though. We are just screwing the screws back in. So this has got to go on that top post there. I was able to get that piece into the slot. And we got to attach this. Then we're gonna take this spoke plug off. Well, actually, how about we do that right now? And then I would say we test it. And we are undoing this. Now, this was very surprisingly loose, which that's not a good thing, how about? But this was the wrong size. No? Yes, this was the wrong size. Okay, so this one was the spoke plug that was in there. It is the wrong spoke plug. Now, this is the right spoke plug. I have no idea what it's called. And so I think we should put this one right in there. And then we will put the air box on. and it's time to try to stow it. Okay, so here's the gasket. Now this gasket goes, let's see, like this. Just sits on there like that. And then you put this on. Now remember, this here piece goes right around here. So it just snaps on like this to hold it. And then you put this on and put that on, and then you got the airbox cover, and then you got to put this back on. You really do not need to take this off if you're just going to do this carburetor. Well, actually, yes, you do for this. So, yeah. So we will turn you back on when it's time to try to stow this. Well, we're about to stow it here. Just wanted to wipe this off a little bit, but I kind of think it's going to stow, but place your bets. And we are about to test. Okay, so we're back and we have a big issue. Self-propelled system is broken. And yes, this is my mower. So I think we are gonna have to probably get a new belt. We think that the belt is broken. There's a big belt that goes from the front wheel drive all the way to the back wheel drive, and it just doesn't work. But yeah, the mower runs great and stuff. So yeah. Okay, so welcome back. And since the self-propelled system doesn't work, we need a new belt. So here's the screws to take off the cover. There's one right here, and then we got one right here, and then we got one under it. Okay, we've taken the final bolt out, but the final bolt is right here. Make sure that you have the spark plug unhooked when you're doing this, like you're gonna spin this blade. And if you're going to take out the blade, you have to put a piece of wood right here so that it stops the blade, and then you can take off the bolts. Well, we're going to get that new belt installed, and we'll turn you back on when we are ready to install the belt. Okay, we're back to reassemble, and the drive belt,
Yep.
the blade brake.
Yep.
We've got a pulley right here. You can barely see
Yep.
the edge. This screw holds the pulley in,
Yep.
and this is held on by, it just kind of goes on like that. So this is self-propelled system wheels, and this is where the belt goes. It connects back here on this pulley, and then it loops around here somehow. We will tell you how the belt goes down there later. Goes through here, and it connects to this pulley up there.
Got to put the spark plug on.
Okay.